Opposition spokesperson on Foreign, Regional and Diaspora Affairs, Senator Donna Scott Motley, is calling for the government to provide a full explanation to the Jamaican people regarding its decision to terminate the long-standing medical cooperation agreement between Jamaica and Cuba. In a statement today, Senator Scott Motley said the sudden conclusion of a partnership that has endured for 50 years raises serious questions that the government must address.
Cuban doctors and medical professionals have served in hospitals and clinics across the island, helping to fill critical gaps in medical staffing. An arrangement that has supported Jamaica's healthcare for half a century cannot simply come to an abrupt end without the Jamaican people being given a clear and comprehensive account of what has led to that outcome.
She emphasized that the public must also be informed of the practical implications of the decision and the steps being taken to ensure that healthcare services remain adequately supported.
The public must also be informed of the practical implications of this decision. The country must be assured that there are clear and effective plans in place to maintain continuity of care, particularly in facilities where Cuban medical professionals have been providing important services.